Good evening, sir.
So, yesterday we discussed about the 5 steps of hacking. What are the 5 steps of hacking? Tell me everyone, what are the 5 steps of
The
hacking?
reconnaissance, scanning,
Okay, scanning,
controlling access, and
Access,
clearing track.
maintaining access,
Sorry,
and
maintaining access, controlling track.
yeah, that's
Clearing
very
track,
good.
sorry.
Okay. So, yeah, information gathering, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, then and last clearing tracks. So, in the clearing tracks, so what happened in clearing tracks? Tell me everyone. What happened in clearing tracks?
Attackers clear all the evidence
clear
to
all the evidence to avoid getting caught.
Yeah, attacker clear all the evidence to escape. Okay, to avoid getting caught. What is about information gathering? Tell me about
attacker
in this
information
case,
gathering.
maximum
hacker actually gathers the data of the victim.
Yeah, so the attacker, like imagine attacker is trying to collect some information. So they have to collect maximum information about the victim. So the information gathering are of 2 types. Which are they?
So first one is active, second one is passive.
Yeah, active information gathering and passive information gathering. So in active information gathering, what happens?
So in case of active,
Direct access.
the hacker or the attacker actually gathers the information directly.
directly communicating.
Whereas in case of the passive, he collects the information from his social media thing.
Like Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah, attacker is collecting information directly by appearing in the location. That's called active. In the case of passive, they collect information indirectly. Indirectly means like they are maybe using some online tools or like they are searching on internet. They find some information. Okay, so clear up to that as well?
Sir.
NISS.
So now tell me, what is scanning?
But gain the access victim machine by the breaking the password.
Yeah, so in scanning, attacker collect the information. So there, this previously we collect information only, but now we are going for advanced information. So what is maybe advanced information? Can you tell me anyone? Tell me some examples of advanced information.
IP address, sir.
Yeah, IP address. That's right. IP address there.
Server operating system.
Yeah, operating system. Okay.
Open port.
And
Open ports.
open ports. Yeah, open ports. What is gaining access?
Attackers access to victim machine by breaking the password. By breaking the password, sir.
Yeah, attacker breaks it. Attacker is trying to break into the machine by breaking the password. That is called gaining access. They are gaining access to the victim machine. So what is called maintaining access?
Attackers install the malicious applications in victim machines to perform all the malicious activity.
Yeah, that's very good. So attacker gain access now. Now they are going to keep the control of the machine because they don't want to lose the control. They have to keep the control of the machine. Okay, that's called maintaining access because in future maybe they are planning something big. Okay, so they have to keep that control. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone, yesterday we discussed about Google Docking. Do you remember Google Docking?
Yes, sir. And also commands.
Yeah, so and also I have show how to install Kali Linux in your machine. Have you gone through the installation process?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone facing any issue with the installation?
Sir.
Anyone facing issue with the Kali Linux installation? Kali machine installation?
Linux, Kali Linux.
No, I'm asking like, did you install or anyone still facing installation issue?
Installing issues.
No, did you install Kali Linux?
Yes, sir.
Ahansha. Okay. So, did anyone want to try installation now? Those who are pending with installation, anyone like to try now? Okay, so yesterday I told you today we can do a practical based on Kali Linux, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second, please. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, 1 second, please. So currently, we can see everyone. I am opening terminal. Okay. So before that, anyone have any idea on Linux commands? Have you gone through Linux commands? Anyone facing any issue with Linux commands? Do you know anyone how to handle the terminal in Linux? Anyone have any idea?
No, sir. Currently, no idea about Linux.
Okay, so like if you like to know something about Linux, or like if you're planning to learn some working with Kali Linux or any other OS, you can do one thing. Just search for Linux command. Okay, Linux commands. It's a very basic thing. Okay, you can see everyone. These are some of the Linux commands we are using. Okay. So I will show you some Linux command first. So maybe you are studying Red Hat, isn't it? Are you studying Red Hat? Anyone have any idea on your syllabus?
Windows
Red Hat?
administration.
Okay, no, Red Hat is not
Windows
there, isn't it?
administration.
Okay, okay. So if Red Hat was there, you will study about Linux commands there also. Okay. So this is some of the Linux commands we are using in your daily practicals. Like you can see here the command ls. If I type ls have a meaning. You can see the command ls has a meaning. That is to list. So the ls command you should display the list of contents in a directory. So like currently I am a root user. Okay, I am a root user. So I am accessing the root folder in my machine. So I will show that. So this terminal provides you a graphical representation. So sorry, not a graphical one. It will provide you a just non-graphical representation. But if I use mouse point, I open any folder, we can see graphical things. These are graphical. So here we can see I am a root user. Can you see everyone? I am a root user. Can you see the folder?
Sir.
So in Linux machine or in Linux OS, we will say it has a directory, root directory, run directory, like that. So currently I am a root user. So my default location is at the root location. So if I open terminal, we can see currently I am a root user. My location is at the root directory. So all the files listed here. I can see it here. Can you see downloads, document, file one? Where is file one? Yeah, I can see files one. Files one. Yeah, files one. Flip. So all the files which is graphically represented here is available at the terminal. Can you see? I can see the files here. Is it available, everyone?
Sir.
Okay, so just do one thing. So, but like I told you, it provides a graphical and okay, so non-graphical representation of the folders and file. The blue color is the folders. You can say download folder, document, music. These are all download folders. We call it as directory here. And these white colors are files, like text files and all. Can you see everyone?
Yes, sir.
So to see all the files, we use the command ls. ls means list. Okay, so this is not as per our syllabus. I'm just mentioning about for your understanding only. And suppose currently we are at this location, we have to check it out. Where is our location? So I open multiple folders. I reach somewhere else. So, but I have to check what is my path. I can see it here. Can you see my path? Root. SCRCPY asset. Can you see? Can you see
Sir.
everyone? The path. This is the path currently I am active. Okay. So by using PWD, while typing the PWD command, I can see where is my present working directory. My present working directory here it is in assets. So I can see what is my present working directory. Good. So imagine I have to open currently I am at root. I am at the root folder. Okay. You can see this is a root folder. I have to open the videos. What should I do? I have to open video files or video folder
click
or
on
like a
it.
direct. Yeah, just click on it. It will open up. That's a graphical solution. Okay. But here, if I click on downloads or music, you can see it is not coming in. Can you see everyone?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you see everyone? So here we use the command cd. cd means change directory.
Change directory.
Yeah. cd means change directory. So currently I changed my directory location from root to videos. So so how can I see all the files inside the videos? How can I see all the files inside videos?
By just opening that videos folder.
So no, the command. What command I have to use?
Okay.
What command I have to use?
CD.
CD.
cd means change directory. So to see the content, what should I do? To see the files and
Root
folder.
directory.
Root is the currently I am a root user. You can see root user. So what command we use to see or list the content of the files or folders?
Cat video.
That is to display the file content. That's right. I'm asking. I have to see the folder. Currently, I'm in videos. I have to see what all files and folders are in videos. What should I do?
LS videos.
List videos.
Okay, so we can do one thing. We can just type ls itself. Okay, so ls videos is not needed. ls. So you can see the files are been here. Yes, you can see Android J, record test. All the files are here, isn't it?
Sir.
Okay, good. So we can do one thing. Now we can just. So currently I move to CD videos. Suppose I have to move back. So CD space double dot. Okay, press enter. So I will move back. Currently I was at videos. I am moving back. Can you see? Mhm. Is it clear everyone how it's working? So for more reference, you can check this one out. Like it's a useful thing. Suppose if you are trying to learn something about Linux commands, you can Red Hat also. I think you will study Red Hat, isn't it? Is that the part of the syllabus, everyone?
Sir, actually the Linux part is pending from.
Okay. So then, so suppose it was over early, it will be very helpful for us because we will get a clear idea. So anyway, just follow the Linux commands because that will be helpful in the next session. Okay, so you can see everyone. Currently, we are in the root. Currently, I am a root user. Okay, like I told you earlier, yesterday we created a root account, isn't it? Do you remember? Yesterday I asked you to create a root account by sudo receive. Anyone remember?
We entered via root account.
Okay, so you can see. Currently, we are going to do a practical based on information gathering. Okay, so information gathering, various tools are available. So we are going for a free version of tool called Dimitri. Can you see Dimitri, everyone? Can you see Dimitri, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Dimitri. So we can just start Dimitri by typing the command in Dimitri also. We can say Dimitri. Okay, so do one thing. Command ask Dimitri. The magic information gathering tool and write the syntax. Usage. This file syntax.
Dimitri.
Dimitri.
Deep magic information gathering tool. What do I-
Now writing everyone.
Hello?
Tell me please. Writing. Tell me, are you writing everyone? Okay, so we can do one thing. So we can do a practical here. Okay. So Dimitri is an information gathering tool. Okay. Okay, Dimitri. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Dimitri is an information gathering tool. So there is a usage here. So can you see minus O here? What's the use of minus O command? Any idea?
Sir, please increase the font size.
Once again. Okay, so can you see it now?
So,
Telemetry is an information gathering tool. So here we can provide multiple options here, minus O, minus I, minus W, all we can provide. So this is upon the demand or like the name we have. Suppose we have to go for minus O. So why should I provide minus O? What's the reason of minus O command? Why should I provide minus O command? What's the reason? Can you read and tell me? Anyone?
save output. Save output.
Yeah, to save the output. To save the output, we provide minus O command. Okay. And minus I and minus W. Can you tell me what it is?
The host for two and then it's I for
Yeah, so minus
Minus
O is to, yeah, minus I and minus W means it is for the IP address. You can see we have an IP address given, like we are giving an IP address of a machine. So to find the information about that machine, we can provide minus I, then the IP address. Are you getting me?
yes, sir.
Okay, so we can just provide minus I, then the IP address. So then suppose if a domain name like a Facebook, Flipkart, Amazon, that kind of name is given, we provide minus W, then the domain name. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so minus I is for IP address. Suppose we have an IP address given, we can provide minus I, then the IP address. Suppose if a domain is given, like a website name, we can provide minus W, then the IP address. Sorry, the domain name. Okay. So then, minus N and minus S. So minus N is netgraph.com. So suppose like here, who is lookup? Anyone heard about who is? Anyone heard about who is? Anyone have any idea what it is?
No, sir.
So just understand, there is a website called who is domain. Okay. So in the who is domain, we can just provide a website name, like we can provide Amazon. One second, this is the block here. I can provide google.com. So this website also, this search engine, they will provide some sort of information about Google. Okay. You can see it is providing an IP address of the website when it is going to expire, and where is the server IP address, server location. So they are providing a lot of information about the target machine. So this is an website called the Whois. So, but in the case of Netcraft, there is an alternative called Netcraft. Like this Whois, Netcraft is also providing same information for the scanning, so information gathering purpose. Okay, so we can, but here we will follow with the quiz because that will produce you or that will provide you more information. And minus S means subdomain. Subdomain means what? Any idea what is domain and subdomain?
No, sir.
What is, okay, so just understand. Domain means like a Flipkart, Facebook, YouTube, Amazon. These are domain. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just understand. Like this is called domain. Okay, so domain, subdomain means like a Facebook grievance or a Facebook like a video, Facebook live, Facebook music, or like a Facebook what we can say advertisement. These are subdomains. Everyone? Okay, so that's about subdomain. So, but in the case of domain is a main domain. Sorry, main domain means the Facebook name, YouTube name. That's a domain. In the case of subdomain, they have some subcategories. Like suppose a college have a main domain, college name. So college dot IT, college dot arts, college dot library. This is the subdomains. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
And E for email address. Okay, so we can do one thing. I will clear screen now. So tell me some syntax, everyone.
About what, sir? So syntax about what?
About Dimitri, just tell me syntax. Suppose we are going to search for a subdomain. What syntax? Tell me syntax, everyone.
Okay, okay.
Minus S.
Okay, at first Dimitri,
Yes.
then
Geometry. Then minus
minus.
W.
Okay, minus W.
This will lead to domain.
Yeah, suppose we can provide like tell me a domain name.
Flipkart.com.
Okay, flipkart.com. Then to save the output, we can provide minus O, isn't it?
Minus to save. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the file name. Okay, I am providing file. Okay, this is the file name. So the output will be saved into file Q. Okay, then after, okay, like we provide minus, okay, one more thing is there. We provide minus O. Now suppose we have to find subdomains. What should I do?
Minus S.
Minus S. Yeah. So I have to find some email address also. Minus
E.
E. Okay, so I press enter. You can see they are finding some subdomains. Can you see one?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Some subdomains of Flipkart. Stories, m.flipkart, seller, health plus, affiliate program. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
So anyone like to try from your side?
What, sir?
Anyone like to try from your side? The practicals. So you have to try from your side, like I'm not the one doing practical. So we can share screen now. Then who can share screen? So who have carry machine now currently running?
I have
Tell me everyone.
machine.
Okay, can you share screen there?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, man. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, visible now.
Yes, sir. Okay. This is VMware.
Yeah,
This
just
is
start the tally machine.
Oh.
Yesterday you create root account, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Now it's open, sir.
Okay, now just do one thing. Just open. So yesterday you create root account. Can you log in as root account? Because we don't root account for doing this.
Uh, okay. So we changed actually the password from this Kali thing to root thing.
Yeah, just you can log in as root. That's very good idea. So just log out of the machine.
Log out. Okay. Log out. Okay.
Okay, now log in as root.
Kali. Sir, password will be
No. Log in as root user. Root.
root.
The password yesterday you have provided was Kali, isn't it?
Kali. Yes. Just log in. Yes, sir. Now it's login.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Command line terminal emulator.
Yeah. So just open terminal. Yeah, that's very good.
Okay, make 3. What's next?
Okay, just provide the syntax, Dimitri.
So what should I do now?
Type syntax, Dimitri.
Dimitri. Sir, I already
Yeah.
did, sir.
No, don't press enter. Just type Dimitri
Okay.
and follow syntax. It is written there. Just follow syntax.
Dimitri, then
Space.
Enter.
space, your IP address minus I. Like this, sir?
No. You don't have the IP address. Just provide the W. So you can provide the domain name.
Okay. W,
Okay, minus W space.
space,
Okay, now what's next one? Minus W.
sir,
Yeah, domain name. Provide a domain name.
domain name. Okay. Say, Amazon.com.
Yeah, Amazon.com. Fine. Then,
We provide domain name, then Amazon.com now. Subdomain minus S.
minus
Mi-
minus S for subdomain. Just supposing how to save the output. What will you do?
minus O.
And then provide minus O
Minus O.
space.
Space.
Then the file name. In what name you have to save the output? In what name you have to save?
Mm, Okay. I will save itself in Linux. Like this, sir?
Yeah, okay, fine. You can save in any name, no issue.
Sir, enter.
Yeah, present. No. Yeah, just provide minus E also, email address also. Space minus E.
Minus E. Search for possible email address. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
You can enter.
Yeah, press enter.
Okay. Wow. So basically, it is providing after the lots of email address after doing all those commands.
Yeah, we can see we are finding some email address of the Amazon. And also, yeah, so this how it's working because they are finding information from online. They are finding information by searching online. Are you getting me?
Yes. We are doing these reconnaissance things, or I can say information gathering thing.
Yeah.
This. What's next, sir?
Okay, so we can go for the next one. Anyone have to try from your side? The practicals.
Yes, sir. Try.
Okay, so you can stop sharing. Let them try.
Okay.
You can stop sharing.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I stopped sharing.
Okay, so Ramya, is it Ramya going to share screen now?
Yes, sir. But I am logged in a phone, sir. But I am practicing in laptop.
No, you have to share screen. Like then only we can try that.
I am logged in phone, sir. Unable to screen share.
Okay, is anyone who has to share screen? Who can do practical now? Aitya, Darshana, Dinesh. Anyone like to try?
I'm trying, but only on mobile.
So how do you do in mobile? So you have to share screen, like you have to join by the laptop also when the practicals are going on. So Jitendra, are you there, Jitendra?
Hello, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, I'm unable to create the root account, sir. How to create that?
Uh, can you share screen?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, just try then.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there you can see here, you are a Kali user now. Okay, so
Okay.
to change the username or to change the password, you have to switch the account to the corresponding user. Currently, you are a Tally user account. Okay, you have to gain the root account. You have to type a command sudo sudo
Okay, sir. Sudo,
space sudo space su
sudo space su.
su.
Yes, sir.
Okay, press enter.
Okay.
Password for Kali.
Okay, as for Kali, that is Kali
Ali,
itself.
okay,
It will
sir.
not, yeah,
Yes,
it will
sir.
not show there. You can just type.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay,
So now,
now just do one thing. You have to change the password of that.
password for Kali or root?
Yeah, for this root account. Currently, you are logged in as a root account, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, then provide the root account.
Pass PW.
Yeah, pass WD, pass WD. No
Straight.
space. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Retype the new password.
So, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just close the thing.
Okay. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It was
Sir,
okay, fine then. You just try.
She did.
Okay, no issue.
sir, I was trying to
It's
log
okay, it's
in.
okay. It will work. Yeah. Now log in with the password.
Yes, sir.
Login.
So you need to try Dimitri. Is it clear to you?
No, sir, I have tried, but it's clear.
Okay. Okay, you need to try now or later.
No.
It's okay, sir. I will try later.
Okay then. So we can do one thing. We can go for the next chapter.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see everyone scanning. So here in scanning, what happened? Like whenever attacker finds some information, they are going to find some advanced information. So advanced information is like they have to find out uh, like what is the domains they have, in what OS they are using. Okay, and what is which all ports are open in the server like that. So in scanning is an advanced phase. Advanced phase. Okay. So before studying about scanning, we have to study about TCP communication flag. TCP communication flag. Any idea what's meant by TCP?
Sir, it is the protocol. Stands for Transmission Control Protocol, which is used for controlling the data transfer. Or I can say,
So TCP means transmission control protocol. TCP is transmission control protocol. So this protocol is a very reliable protocol, which means like imagine you are buying some product online. So like you are sending some money to one of your friend, or you are sending something to or like money to someone, or like in an account. So while doing this activity, your account, suppose the money is being debited from your account, it has to be reach the destination, or it should be come back to you. If the transaction is failed, it should come back to you. Am I right? So the money should not get failed, or like suppose if the transaction is failed, it should not get lost from your side. So it should come back to you. If you are buying some product, due to some error, the money is debited, but it is not credited at the destination. So it should come back to you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is meant by a reliability. So to perform this sort of operation, we need a reliable protocol. TCP is a very much reliable protocol. Okay. So TCP use some flags. Why do we use flags? Why do we use flags? So I'm asking for the real flag. Suppose like you are seeing,
okay, flag. So,
yeah, the real flag. So why do we use flags?
okay, it is used for identification of a particular country.
Yeah, that's very good. So for representing a country, so which means if a person is carrying an Indian flag, it simply means that person is from India. Or like suppose a person is showing you a red flag. What's mean by that?
Danger.
Yeah, danger. Suppose it's green, it's safe. So like that, each flag have a meaning. There is no one need to mention about, suppose like there is no one has to specify what is the current situation. By seeing a flag, they can understand what it is. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So TCP means transmission control protocol. Okay, TCP means transmission control protocol. So in TCP communication, attackers or sorry, to make the communication easier, we are using flags. By seeing a flag, so like like the flag I have till here, by seeing a flag, the attacker or sorry, the receiver understand what is the current situation. If a flag is being received from the destination or like from the sender side to destination, they understand what's the current status there. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So at first we are discussing about SY. Once again, SYN flag. SYN means synchronize. Synchronization. Okay. What's mean by synchronization? Any idea, anyone?
Basically, sir, it is combining two to three things.
In the size.
Okay, sync means synchronization. While synchronizing something, suppose like you are synchronizing your contacts. What happened there? You are
All the
synchronizing
content,
your. Can you repeat again?
all the contents.
No, I'm asking if you synchronize your contacts, all the contacts will get updated with your Gmail account, isn't it? Whenever
Phone
you,
account also.
yeah, that's right. So this is called synchronization. So, but in the case of this synchronization flag, there's a difference. So imagine, like in your Gmail, your mobile device have a Gmail account. Okay, if I am sending an email to you, the email is going to the email server, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so while I send email, this email is going to email server. Upon receiving mail at the email server, the Gmail application you are currently using, it is just a window. Okay, it's just a window through which you can access the mail. While when a new mail is received, the Gmail application will get an update on their latest mail received by the server. Okay, suppose you are disabling the synchronize option in your Gmail account. So will you get updated with the new email address?
Yes, sir.
So I'm asking a question like, suppose you disable your synchronization option in your Gmail account. So at this moment, will you get updated with the latest mail in your mobile application?
No, sir.
No, it will not happen because a synchronization means if the mobile application where you are using a mobile application, when you synchronize now, the mobile client or the client application is sending a flag to the server. This is called sync flag. Upon receiving sync flag, the sync flag has only one meaning. It is a connection request. It is a connection request. Upon receiving connection request, the server understands the client is asking for a service. Are you getting me?
Sir.
Any doubts, anyone? Hello.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, sync means synchronize. 1 second, everyone. Okay, everyone. So synchronize, SYN means synchronize. Okay, it's a connection request. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, acknowledgement. So what's meant by an acknowledgement? Any idea?
Response.
Okay, so acknowledgement means a response. Suppose you are suppose imagine you are sending a speed post to someone else. Okay, every day while we send a speed post, we used to attach an acknowledgement card with that. Do you know that, anyone?
Yes.
Okay, while sending an acknowledgement card, we used to attach an suppose like we are sending an speed post, we used to attach an acknowledgement card. While receiving the speed post at the destination, they will send back the acknowledgement card back to you. So while receiving the acknowledgement card at your side, you understand they have received the speed post. So nowadays we can track it online. Okay, so it was early. Are you getting me?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, ACK means acknowledgement. Okay, and now it's a so here in the case of flag, suppose a single flag is being sent, it's been received at the server side, they will acknowledge it.
Understood.
Once again. Okay, now everyone, we are going to discuss about RST. What's RST means? What is RST means? Any idea?
No, sir.
RST means reset. Reset a connection. So what's mean by resetting a connection? Any idea?
No, sir.
When we lost the connection, not able to connect.
Yeah, so reset a connection means like currently the connection was
Read.
established. Okay, connection was established. By resetting, we are going back to the previous state, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Finish. Finish means what? Any idea?
Complete the action.
Terminated.
Yeah, so finish means end of the finish means end of transmission. Okay, that's over.
Time out.
Yeah, once again.
That's over.
Time out.
Yeah, finish means end of transmission. End of transmission. URG. What could be URG? Any idea?
Uniform resource.
Yeah, this means urgent. Okay, URG means urgent. Urgent means giving more importance. What could be push? Any idea, anyone? Push means
To proceed the action fast.
Pull.
okay. So push means like do you know what's a buffer?
Buffer. Buffer is called as modification.
Okay, just understand one thing. Like a push means like there is a buffer in your memory, like there is a buffer memory. So imagine like you are watching a video in YouTube. So you can see a white bar is moving so fast and a red bar is following it so slowly, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means buffer means like a temporary storage. So like a while white bar is moving so fast. What could be the reason? Is it because of network is so slow or very fast? What's the reason?
Cable network.
No, I'm asking the why this white bar is moving so fast, but a red bar is following it slowly. What could be the reason?
Connection is not so fast. I think.
Internet speed, I think.
Okay, just understand the connection. Whenever we are using this um, the high speed internet, the white bar moves so faster because they are saving the data in a buffer. So if the network speed is very heavy, the network can load the entire video in a single second, isn't it? Suppose like you are watching a video of 500 MB, but your network speed is 100 MB. So how much second it will take to load the entire video? Tell
Increasing
me,
the
suppose,
speed.
So many
yeah,
times.
yeah, it will take only 5 seconds to complete the entire video, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here a push means send all the buffer data. So why this buffering happen? Because to adjust the speed gap. So you are watching a video at a 100 Mbps speed. So the data can be loaded in 5 seconds. So there is no need to wait for anything. The entire video will be loaded in 5 seconds. But you will watch the video by second only. But suppose the video is like 5 minutes or like 2 minutes, the entire content will be seen only by 2 minutes itself. But the entire video can be loaded in 5 seconds. Okay, which means you are slow, the loading is very faster. To adjust the speed gap, they will save the data in a temporary storage called a buffer. Where now?
Yes, sir.
So now why it is called a push? Push means if the receive or the client is free now, by sending a push flag, we can make sure the buffer is free. Now all the saved data will be received at the processor side. So processor can accept everything. There is no need of delay anything. Okay. Please note everyone.
अदरक खत्म हुई
Right, sir.
Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt in it?
Yes, clear.
सर अर्जेंट और पुश में डिफरेंस क्या है
May I repeat, please?
अर्जेंट और पुश में क्या डिफरेंस है मेजर
And your voice is not so clear. Is anyone facing same
Yep.
issue?
Yes, sir. The voice is not
सर
clear.
अर्जेंट और पुश में क्या डिफरेंस है
Okay, urgent and push. So urgent means like a send is very important. Suppose 2 or 3 jobs are in queue. One job, what we can say, one job enter with the urgent flag set, which means that should be given more importance. Are you getting me? And push means suppose like a flag. Suppose a flag is been set, and flag have a like he's saying that currently a processor is currently busy with the various work. Okay. So like if you are busy with some work and a new work is been assigned to you, you will keep the new work in a queue and you will solve the previous work. Then after you will go for the new one. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you are faster, you can do 2 works together. So that's how browser works. Suppose a browser is currently busy with their work and it will save the data or the new work or task into a queue. That's or a temporary space called a buffer. So while the browser is free now, they will send a push flag to the temporary storage called buffer. So buffer will send all the saved data or saved service request to the browser now. So it can process it. It is called push. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone up to this?
No, sir.
So it was sent, okay, not end. Maybe it was on, I think. Okay, so buffer, it was sent or buffered immediately. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Write the heading as three-way handshake. Okay. Write the heading as three-way handshake. Write the heading, everyone, three-way handshake. And draw the figure. And drawing the figure, everyone.
Yes.
Sir.
Have you completed drawing, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here, can you see what happened here? A client is sending single flag to phone number, or like a client is sending single flag to the server. What's the meaning of single flag? What's the meaning of single flag?
Individual person.
Synchronization.
Yeah, sync means it's a synchronization. What's the use of the suppose a single flag is received by the server side. What will the server understand?
I understand that they are
Connection request.
they want to some message.
So yeah, it's a connection request. Okay, so it is meant by a connection request. Upon receiving sync flag, if the server is available now, server accept the sync flag. Now, server respond with the sync plus ACK. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is ACK means?
Acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement. So why do we use acknowledgement?
Expansion.
Yeah, it's saying that like
The
a
receipt of
successful connection
transmission.
request, isn't it?
Transmission, yes, sir.
So upon receiving single flag, the server send back sync plus ACK. Okay, once again. Okay, you can see everyone. Sync plus ACK, then ACK. What's meant by ACK?
Acknowledgement.
So acknowledgement.
Connection successful.
Successful of transmission.
Yeah, so ACK means a successful transmission. Okay, you can see by here, three-way handshake is being used. Sync is being sent to the server. Upon receiving sync flag, if the service is available, they are sending sync plus ACK. So upon receiving the service, it's not flag just it's just not the flag. They are sending the service also. So to mention it as a service, they are adding the flags also. Okay, you can see sync is being sent. Sync plus ACK with the service. Upon receiving sync plus ACK at the client side, they understand this is the response or this is a request I have asked for. And now they are confirming I have received the request. Sorry, I have received service. So they will send back acknowledgement. So it is called three-way handshake. Okay. So in case if one of the flag is been lost, imagine if sync plus ACK is not received at the client side, they will not send ACK, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If yeah. So which means if single plus ACK is not received, ACK is not sent back. If ACK is not received at the server side, the server believe sync plus ACK was lost. That's why they are not sending ACK. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what they will do? They will resend the sync plus ACK once again. So they are confirming that the service is not getting lost. So the three-way handshake confirms every steps. Are you getting me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And again, if the ACK is been lost, again server believe sync plus ACK was lost. That's why ACK are not sending back. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, suppose the second time is also not understand the Synco SIN slash AC key is failed, then what happened?
Once again,
In the second round, sync AC key not received, then what happened?
so they will send plus ACK once again. So once if the ACK is been up until the ACK will send back, they will send sync plus ACK. Okay.
Yeah. It means, sir, without second option, vacant second term, third one is not complete.
Yeah. So anyway, the three handshakes should be completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have any more doubts on this? Tell me anyone, do you have any doubts on this?
No, sir.
I will share the video of Dimitri, okay?
Sir, one question, use of Dimitri to find the hacking.
Yeah, to find the information tool. It's not a hacking tool, it's just an information gathering tool.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing the video with chat box, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have any doubts on this? Today's topics. Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.